Subscribe and click the bell icon for the latest updates and notifications from the Indian Express.
The budget segment in India's smartphone market is getting really competitive. While other manufacturers are cutting costs on design to pack heavy loads of specifications, Nokia phone chose not to join the bandwagon. HMD Global is making smartphones which carry decent specifications and a design that is purely premium. Nokia 4.2 here is nothing different. But is the phone worth your money? Well, let's find out in our Nokia 4.2 review. Nokia 4.2 features a compact design which fits into hands really well. It looks and feels premium with a glass panel on the back. At the front, phone has a broad chin and the bezels are thick. The phone does not have a camera bump and it lies flat on the surface. I like the notification LED under the power button and there is a dedicated Google Assistant button on the left. The 5.1-inch HD Plus display of the Nokia 4.2 has good viewing angles and it is bright enough to read text easily under direct sunlight, but it lacks sharpness. The dark theme on Nokia 4.2 is a beauty and helps hide the thick bezels. Coming to the performance, Nokia 4.2 is powered by Snapdragon 439 processor. While I imagined the phone to perform only okay, it far exceeded my expectations. I opened dozens of apps in the background and 36 web pages in Chrome tabs at the time when phone was buzzing with incoming notifications. The phone did not lag even for a split second when I switched between the apps and Chrome tabs. Nokia 4.2 can run graphics heavy game PUBG Mobile smoothly. I played the game for more than 1 hour on both low and medium settings and I did not witness stuttering or frame drops. The phone temperature did not rise even once. The phone runs a stock version of Android Pie, the UI is snappy, fast and clean, which is always appreciated on a budget. Coming to the camera, Nokia 4.2 lets down here. The pictures look washed out and lack dynamic range. The camera does not handle exposure well and there's a noticeable shutter lag. While the 13+2 MP dual rear camera setup manages to take decent pictures under ideal light conditions, also the edge detection on bokeh mode is good and it supports live focus and color pop effect. Selfies taken from the 8 megapixel front camera lack details and the skin tone is irregular. The edge detection of front camera rarely works fine. Both the rear and front cameras give up under low light situations. The earpiece placed above the U-shaped notch works really well. The sound is clear and audible outdoors even in a traffic jam. The speaker placed at the bottom is loud to be audible. The 3000 mAh battery on the Nokia 4.2 lasts little over a day with above moderate usage. It takes 2 hours and 30 minutes to charge the battery from 10% to 98%. The fingerprint sensor shows a lag between the touch and the time when the screen lights on. The face unlock on Nokia 4.2 takes minimum of 2 seconds to recognize your face to unlock your device. The time increases depending on the light conditions. The Nokia 4.2 is a compact device which has classy design, clean UI and performs really smooth. But the phone is certainly not a camera smartphone. With its price, Nokia 4.2 might find it hard to compete with the likes of Redmi Note 7, Realme 3 and Galaxy M20 and others.